Hi everyone, let's talk about Agra's best UI UX course and institute. I'm your career coach Chitra and welcome back to my YouTube channel Coach Dekho. In this video, we'll talk about what UI UX is, how much a UI UX designer can earn and also where you can learn it. So before we begin, I want to tell you that if you're looking for a best UI UX designing course, then I have already added a link to that course in the description. Now let's understand what UI UX actually means. In simple terms, UI user interface is all about appearance, colors, the fonts, layout, and overall visual design of a website or app. Then UX, user experience, on other hand, is about how it feels to use, how easy, smooth, or confusing the experience is for the user. So remember, UI is how it looks and UX is how it feels to use. If we will talk about the demand, then I can definitely say it's very high today because businesses want products that look good, are easy to use, and keep users happy. Because we all know how quickly users leave when the experience isn't smooth. Coming to salary. For freshers, salary usually range between 4 to 6 LPA, and with just 2 years of experience, many professionals see almost a 100% hike, earning between 6 to 12 LPA. And as your experience grows, so does your earning potential. Now, the best part is you don't need years to learn UI UX. With the right guidance, proper tools, and hands-on real-world practice, you can learn this skill much faster than most people think. A strong UI UX course should include design fundamentals, user psychology, UX research, wireframing and prototyping, designing system, and real industry projects. You should also get hands-on experience with industry standard tools like Figma, Adobe XD, Photoshop, modern prototyping tools, the same tools companies actually use. Based on my professional experience and understanding of the industry, I've added a link in the description of the best UI UX course in your city. This institute has built a strong reputation through a well-structured curriculum, job outcomes, expert mentors, and practical career-focused training. You can also check student testimonials and detailed information on their website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.